So he should veer right and stay on the veg here. Even more towards me. Yep. So at the back of that last car is where he turns in. Very nice little puzzle for him and very clear for you to read. Yes, very nice. Go with them. There's no turn. No, and look at, he's coming back to you. That's it. That's
yes! Good boy! Look at you go!
It's on the wrong spot. Very nice.
Good job!
Wow. Wow. It should have been up the sidewalk a couple more
Somebody
steps.
moved it.
Yep.
No
That was awesome. Yeah. It was.
wonder he kept wanting to.
I can't take it right now. So. Yeah, so he knew, he could smell it. That was amazing. So whenever they run up and dip their nose, go look.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Ready?
Oh, that's nice. So I put that there to get him off the parking lot, and he circled here. He didn't want to turn. So that was very nice. And he pulled you in exactly where it went in.
Yep.
Nice nose dipping. Can you guys grab that? Yeah. So watch for a left. Okay, see how he's sort of looking left? The turn is behind you. He was sort of went out, but he kept looking this way.
Yes.
So the turn is actually on the grass along the building. So he was doing a really nice head nod to the left there. Let him check across, but don't step up. Just bring him up and let him show you. Yes, he's on.
Sick. Oh, your rope dropped out of my pocket.
Yeah, we picked it up.
Okay, we got this one. Thank you.
Nice nose dip. See, that's such a sign for him. Yes. But let's see. See, he circles back, Lynda. So that tells you. He's really good at that. You'll see in the videos, he circles back. Yep. You know what? He did have an article along those buildings that he passed. I just realized. The sock. That big brown sock. But he saw the gloves, so he ran past it.
Which way do we go?
Let him just work it out. Back up. Let him show you. Just work your line. Do the handling. There. Yes, he's on. Open angle and across the road. Uh-oh. Just hold on.
Which way do we go?
Straight across. On an angle for the opening. Right up there. Open angle.
He's heading that way.
Yeah.
The rabbit went right
Oh.
just across the road right in front of us.
So I did an open angle here. It goes open angle straight up to that opening. And it keeps going on an angle. Now, put a little drag on because you're going to pass your whole parking lot, which you don't want to do. So wait there. Lynda, yeah, walk him along here and make him show you where it goes in. So bring him to the curb and you go back and forth on the curb till he goes, it's here. So go on the road and then let him surf along that other side. Okay, good, he's looking. Come back, side step to the left. He's got it, right there. Right where he stepped off. Right there. And that's it. Keep a straight line. Oh, frustrating. Now see the nose dips?